Next is question number 2. I hope till now congruent concept is clear to you students. So next question is, see here, AD is, most of the question is based on congruent triangle, right? So try to make it clear. Okay, so to show two triangles congruent, what you have to show is 4 properties. Out of that 4 properties, 1 property you have to show, not 4 properties. What was the property? Side angle side, angle side angle, angle side angle, side side side, and then right angle hypotenuse side. Out of this, if you can show even one, then the triangle said to be congruent. So most of the question we have done with this property, so try to understand this property well. Okay, anyway, so see question number 2. What it says: AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC. So there is an isosceles triangle ABC where two sides same, right? And they have said that AD is altitude of an isosceles triangle. Altitude means AD is a line which is perpendicular from this base. Okay, altitude, height. Okay, height is always perpendicular. Okay, next, in which AB equal to AC. Okay, show that AD bisects BC. Show that AD bisect BC. This line bisect BC. Bisect BC means what? This line will cut BC from the middle, means from the midpoint. Now I have to show that. Okay, AD bisect this one, I have to show. Now how I will show that this line bisect this? Simple. What does it mean? Meaning is this will cut from the midpoint. That's what I have to show. Right now, to show that, what you will do, if this is the midpoint, this and this must be same, this length and this length must be same. If you can show that this length and this length same, then what I can say, this is the midpoint. From that, what I can say, AD bisect BC, I can say, right? So what basically you have to show is this length and this length same, you have to show. Okay, next, number 2, what it is? AD bisects angle A. Again same, AD bisect angle A also you have to show. Now this line bisect angle A means what? This line will cut this angle from the middle. So from the middle, if it cuts, then what does it mean? This angle and this angle must be same, right? Now to show AD bisect angle A, what I will show? This and this equal. If I can show, my problem solved. Okay, so basically 2 things you have to show. This is equal to this, this is equal to this, you have to show. So for that, very simple, they have given information, this and this equal, this and this equal. So I hope you already got the idea. I will show this 2 triangle congruent. If I can show this 2 triangle congruent, what I can say? You can see this angle and this angle corresponding part, right? So I can say this 2 equal. Next, this and this will be corresponding sides, then this and this will be equal. Congruent triangle, we know that, right? So we have to show this 2 triangle congruent. If you have confusion, draw separately the diagram like this. Okay, so what information we know? We know this is 90 degree, this is equal, this is 90 degree, this is equal. We know A, D, this is D, this is B, this is A, D, this is C. Okay, so see how I'll show this 2 triangle congruent. Once you can show this 2 triangle congruent, this and this will be equal, this and this will be. In one problem only you can solve all the question here. Okay, once you solve this 2 triangle congruent, all the question will be solved here. So let's try to solve that. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, ABD, ACD, what I can say? AB is equal to AC, right? Next, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. This angle and this angle same, right? And AD is equal to AD, common, you can see. So this and this equal, this and this equal, this and this equal, right? So 3 things we have shown. What it is? Right angle, this is your hypotenuse, this is one side. Right angle, hypotenuse, one side. So what I can say? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD with what property? Right angle, hypotenuse, side congruency. Okay, with this property I have shown that this 2 triangle congruent. So once it is congruent, number 1, directly I can write AD bisect or you can write number 1, BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. Why? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. I have already shown, right, these two triangle congruent. So this and this will be equal. Why? Because they are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Then from this what I can write? If this and this equal, can I write now AD is by AD bisect BC. Done. Number 1. Number 2. Simple again. This angle and this angle, can I write directly? The angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Therefore, can I write AD bisect angle A? Done. Very simple question, right? So basically what you have to show here is try to show this two triangle congruent. From that you can easily say this and this equal, this and this equal. Okay. Next question number 3. Two sides AB and BC and median AM. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to side PQ. So AB is equal to PQ, QR, BC is equal to QR, this BC, okay, whole thing. This BC is equal to QR. Don't think that this portion and this portion, it's total, this side. And median, so this is also median, so this and this also equal. This one also very simple question. So see here what it says: AB is equal to PQ, AM is equal to PN, BC is equal to QR. These are given in the question, and moreover they have said AM is median, PN is median. What do you mean by median? Median is a line which joins vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. That's why it is called median. It cuts from the midpoint. So this line will cut from the midpoint, means what? This and this must be equal. So can I write this is equal to this is equal to this? This whole thing are equal, I can say. Okay. Now try to understand. Okay, from the question they have said BC is equal to QR, right? Okay. Now see what they have asked you to show. Triangle ABM. Triangle ABM means this triangle is congruent to triangle PQN. PQN. So this triangle and this triangle I have to show it's congruent. ABM PQN. So very simple. This side and this side already given. This side and this side it's given, and this we can prove, right? Because since AM is median, so this will be equal to this, and we know that this is also median here. Since BC and Q are equal, suppose this is 6 centimeter, this also will be 6 centimeter. Now if this is median, obviously 3 3, here also this is median, so this also will be 3. So obviously QN and BM also will be equal. That you have to show here. Okay, so see here, in triangle ABC, ABC, or let me write down ABM and PQN. Okay, what I can show, AB is equal to PQ, it's given. AM is equal to PN, this is also given. Now this is not given. BM is equal to QN is not given, but we know this will be equal. We have to show this here. How this is equal? You can see again, I repeat, they have given BC is equal to QR, and they have also given this is median, this is median. So this is the midpoint of this line, this is the midpoint. So through number you try to understand. This is 6 centimeter, suppose, then this also will be 6 centimeter. If this is the midpoint, this will be how much? 3 centimeter. Here also this is midpoint, this will be how much? Obviously 3 centimeter. So they also will be equal. So see how I'll write down. This is equal to this. Now BC is equal to QR, given. Remember, okay, I have to show this small triangle congruent to this small triangle. So for that two condition I have already shown. This side and this side equal, this side and this. Last I have to show this one. This is equal to this. For that I have to write theory here again. So this is not your part. This is just to solve that this and this equal. Okay. BC equal QR. So from this can I write, which implies BC can I write BM plus MC, and QR can I write QN plus NR. Why I'm writing like that? Because I have to show BM equal to QN, right? For that I will try to remove this now. I don't need this too. So what you can write in place of MC? Simply can I write BM, MC is same with BM, right? So in place of MC can I write again BM is equal to, I can write because this is midpoint, I will write down the region here. QN I need and this I don't need. So in place of NR again can I write QN? Region M is MN, simply I will write M and N are midpoint. Since they are midpoint, because they have said, right, this and this median, so obviously this and this will be midpoint. So that will be the reason. So from this 2BM is equal to 2QN. Right? From this 2 gone, bring this side, it will get divided, right? So BM is equal to QN. Can you see? BM is equal to QN. So therefore, so you can see this side and this side equal, this side and this side equal given, and this side and this side also equal, I have proved. So from this what I can say, side congruency, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Why? Side congruency. Okay, so first part done. So your first part is done. ABM is congruent to PQN. Second part I will just say here, you just try yourself this one. Okay, exactly same. Number 2, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC you have to show congruent to triangle PQR. So how you show that one? Very simple. This and this side same. BC and QR given, right? It's already given. They are same. Next, one more I have to show it's same. I will just draw diagram. You just try yourself, okay? See carefully here. You have to show ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now according to question only they have given this side and this side same, this side and this side same. BC, two sides AB and BC and median this of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to side of PQ, QR and median PN. So they have already given QR and BC will be same. Okay, so these two already same, right? Now one more I have to show. Now don't think that this is given. This is not given. AC and PR is not given. So one more I have to show. What I can show here? Can I say this angle and this angle same? Of course yes, because I have already proved that in first part ABM congruent to PQN. ABM congruent to PQN. So you can see this and this will be corresponding part of this congruent triangle, right? So obviously they will be equal. Okay, so that's what you have to write there. So try to solve this one yourself. Okay, how you write? AB is equal to PQ. Next BC. Here you write down angle B is equal to angle Q. Reason corresponding. Okay, let me. Yeah, corresponding part of congruent triangle. You mentioned triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Simple, because this is corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? Yes, corresponding part of which two triangle? This triangle and this triangle. That's why we have mentioned this one here. Okay, congruent triangle. Okay, this one same. Last BC is equal to QR. So what congruency? Side angle, side congruency. Okay, from that these two triangle congruent. That's it.